Especially me from the Miami traders. We are starting today our bell opening with the S&P. Look at the charts. Here is the charts, the fourth wave, and now 5750 shares MOV, make or break area. Now we are expecting the fifth to drop around 5410 to 5362 area by mid-April. If the war in the Iran region, the Indian Oceans, there is a high activity, huge activity in Indian Oceans, which means there is going to be a war. If there is a possibility of war, it can extend to 5100 area. And this is our projection since long, and we are expecting another low coming soon. 2nd April is important, and now is 16th of April. Mid-April is important for us in the S&P charts. Now we go to the oil charts. Oil charts, we were bullish since this area at 68.40. We are trying to get this market, get into the oil market around 68.40 with the stop of 67.97, but missed it. Right now, there is a possibility of 71.24 area, which is a bit corrective or correction is there. But overall, if there is a war in the Iran or Mid East area region, there is going to be a sharp move on upside, very sharp, and the oil supply can be at a huge risk. So we're buying on the dips. We are not selling. There is a possibility of sell, but we are not shorting this market in the eye of the storm. This is the market where we like to buy on dips. So next is silver. Yes, we're short around 34.45 area and expecting to break this low till 7th to 10th of April. We might see another drop. If it breaks, we are out of the market. But if it continues, we hold our positions. Silver is still a good bargain, but not at these prices. Double top is around 34.80 area, 35.40 is a concrete for us. If it breaks, there is going to be another high, but for not for now. We are anticipating a low around 7th or 9th of April. From there, yes, we are bull. Right now, we are shorting this market, but with the stop. Because if there is a war, gold is going to break soon. A new high is coming. So we are anticipating short silver with the stop, but not short it again if it breaks above that area. And wait for the 7th to 10th of April area to go long. And now moving on to the gold. Gold is still not easy market to trade. Choppiness is there. You look at the top, exactly as over cycle turn. There is top, but still there is no possibility of that the major top is in. Just swing trades for day trading, yes, there is a possibility of day trades, but to hold the shorts, if there is a war, not very wise thing to do. So we need to wait for a drop at least 30.45 area to be it gold should trade below 30.45 area, then the top is in. Otherwise, midterm top is not in for now. And if this the blow of top, then anything is possible. Like 3500 area, yes, there is a possibility. So I think I wait for today and wait for a bigger correction towards 3070 or 3055 area where the stop we can stop define our risk or we can define our stops. Most probably we are looking for this area 3052, 3055 area in the week. Within this week, if we cut this area, We place the stops and write the wave on the upside. This is my analysis, my projection, my view. This is just for educational purpose only. And now move on to the next. Next is currencies. Yes, dollar index first. If there is a war, dollar index can break this area, and this can be a last resort for the bears if this holds or not, because it's liquidation of lot of liquidation around this area, and if this changes the character, then there's going to be a new high soon. And my projection is, well, it's not backing down, still strong and holding the position, and there is new high coming. And because of that reasons, I think euro is still not breaking above that. Euro is still holding this area. Look at this. Another failure. Fails, went down to 103.30 area, and that would be what we were projecting. What we were projecting this area 108.60 rather than this 108.60 and 72 area is going to be tough area. And I do believe there is a possibility of new low. If the war starts, this area can be the last resort for the bulls. If this goes, I think low is coming around 105.72 area. 105.72 area, and it can extend to 1387. So we are going to short around this area again with the stop. Stop above this area 108.86 or 108.92 is going to be our stops, and we hold the position for 105.70 or 106.05 area. Then GBB, yes, same, another failure, spiked up but cannot sustain this area. This is spike up and it holds again. This is third failure. This is the third failure, attempting to break above 130 and could not hold the position, could not follow through. So there is a possibility, strong possibility, if it break below 108.60 area, there is going to be an other low around 107.20. So we are not bull in this market. Change of character and everything. There is very strong data coming in this week. NFP and GDPs. There is going to be a very important data coming in this week. So we are anticipating this is a make or break area. If it holds above 109.28, 129.80 plus area, then there is a possibility of new high coming, but that could be the fifth wave. So 31.20 can be the top from where it again drops. But if it fails around this area and break below this area, which is overbias right now. Overbias is right now it can break below 108.60 area, and the projection is around 107.27 20 area. We are not bull in this market. And there is a yen. Yen dropped but hold this area. Holding this area means change, break of structure. No, there is nothing, but it holds. If it holds that area and see how this things unfold, there might be a drop, but less likely. Let me make Typical error. Yeah, here. Look at this area. This area where position held. Yen held this position very well. Look at this area. How the market unfold at that area. So market retrace back. If it goes above this area, then fractional low, fractional highs, doesn't matter. This is a war. Technical might not be that important, but the news is. So try to trade what is there, not what you see. So trade what is in the market. What you're expecting is not the matter. The matter is how profitable you are. So my opinion, my analysis, if it again held this area again, so there is a possibility of 153 soon, and that could be a major make or break area for the yen. And now move on to the dollar index. Let's see how the dollar index unfolds. Yes, holding this area again. Gold. Now Ethereum. There is still a possibility of a new low. We are holding on to our last analysis. 107.18 below area. So 106.18 or below that area, we are going to buy. Bitcoin, we are going to short at around 86,527,000 area. Ethereum, we are going to short. For Solana, we will wait for 100 area, 105 to 97 area to go long for midterm. It's investment, not trading. So to conclude everything, we are shorting the currencies, euro, long yen, shorting British pound. We are long in the gold as there is a possibility war with Iran is imminent, as there is a movement in the Indian Ocean. So we are not going to short gold, but we have a position in silver. Holding that with break stop at break even, then oil is going to be in a nasty move. Look at that, how that breaks. So we are waiting for the oil, and our strategy is buying on dips. We are not going to short gold or oil. And for S&P, yes, we're trying to short, but with the stops. We're anticipating 53, 60, 54, 10 area within this week. By the midweek, and maybe within this week, we are anticipating 53, 60, 54, 10 area, as long as it holds 57 area on the closings. And then we see a major turnaround around 16th of April, which could be 5100-ish area. We cannot overrule that there is a sharp low around this area. Right now it's trying to form a hammer, maybe temporary relief, but overall there is a possibility of new low. The gap is there, so as long as it does not close above that gap, we're still bearish and holding over shorts, uh, holding over shorts towards 53, 60, 54, 10 area as long as this gap is not felt. So the most important thing right now is a war. And the other thing which is right around the corner is tariff thing. So Wednesday is going to be a very volatile sessions. We are biased towards sell short positions, not long position. We'll wait for market to fill the gap. We're going to short that area, placing a stop above that area and hold our position towards our targets. 5360, 5360 and 5410. Oil and gold we are not shorting. Silver we are already short, but with the stops we missed oil. And in the currencies, British pound and euro we are short, not in the yen. We are long USD JPY and dollar is going to be king again. This is our analysis for